Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file and environment so you don't chase ghosts. First, make a backup copy of the PPTX. Then close other programs to free RAM and ensure at least 10% disk space. Next, run the built-in Office repair from Control Panel or Settings. This fixes missing dependencies and corrupted libraries. Once done, try reopening the file. If PowerPoint still flags content, we move into targeted recovery steps to preserve embedded items and slides. You now recover content selectively so you salvage what matters. Start PowerPoint in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This disables add-ins that can corrupt content. If that fails, use File Open and Repair to let PowerPoint attempt a structured fix. Alternatively, create a new blank PPTX and import slides or insert the corrupted file as an object. This often isolates the bad element. Finally, export images, charts, and embedded files separately to rebuild the presentation cleanly. You finish by rebuilding and validating to ensure stability. Recreate slide masters and reapply your template so hidden corruptions and layouts won't reappear. Then check fonts, relink or remove media, and disable or uninstall suspect add-ins that often trigger the error. If PowerPoint still reports a problem, make a copy of the PPTX, change the extension to zip, and inspect or remove offending XML parts. This surgically removes bad content. Troubleshooting tip: if stuck, restore the last clean backup and repeat targeted import steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.